Hello everyone, my name's Jimmy from Digital Boxcar and welcome to another devlog for the game Gone Upstate. Quickly before we start, if you haven't wishlisted the game, make sure to wishlist it on Steam. I feel like I always forget to mention this. So we'll get right into it. The big update this week is the addition to the flare gun. I've been wanting a way of chasing the dangerous animals away in the game without having to kill them. So this is exactly what the flare gun will be used for. And you can purchase this at the outdoor.co store in town. And then that store will also have a presence in the cloud shopping soon too. So when we get that up, you'll be able to purchase it there as well. That is along with the convenience fee. And then wherever the flare gun is sold, you can also purchase the individual flare ammo as well. These are rather expensive at $4. You want to call them dollars now? I'm not sure. I'm gonna switch to crypto here, or anyhow. So they're rather expensive compared to the regular ammo. So be sure to aim wisely. And then the flare ammo burns a bright and red and lasts about 30 seconds now in game. So this should leave enough time for you to get the animal spooked and also maybe brighten up some dark spaces at night. Back in development this week, since I started working on the new flare gun, I made a new animation rig specific for the first person animations. And with this, I thought it was a good time to go over all the animations for every item and give it a complete overhaul. To do this, I'm using Blender and frame by frame, creating all the animations for each weapon type. If any of you devs out there want a step-by-step process of how I set the Blender files up to be used in Unity, I can make a separate video on that. Just leave a comment. But for a general overview, each weapon type gets its own .blend file, and each file has its own bone armature specific for that item. And then I append this as a collection into the arms file where all the animations live on one timeline. So I had poor results storing these things in the action objects with the NLA editor, and then maintaining like a consistency inside the game engine. So keeping everything in one file helps with this. And then each item gets exported as an FBX separately from the arms rig FBX, and then this allows me to keep the character on the screen while exchanging or equipping different items or action tasks. For example, if you have the like the SG-69 rifle in one hotbar slot and then an axe in another, the game doesn't need to reload the entire mesh, and then this keeps the FPS stable and keeps the frame drops from happening. Another improvement to Gone Upstate has been the Seasons in the Year system. The game progresses through all 4 seasons here, with the weather and the foliage changing accordingly. I believe a full year is 40 days, so each season is around 10. They blend in the transitions a day or two. And so the changes that occur is in winter, the days are colder, and the chances of snow are higher, more rain coming in the spring, and the temperature in the summer gets heated up, and then in autumn, the trees start to change color. And the information about the time of the year, the temperature, and the current day has been added to the UI up top as well, along with the current currency display. So another change I did this week as well is to change the rollout of the entities based on which mode you're set in, and so now they currently only spawn in the insane mode. The normal mode and the peaceful mode, no entities spawn unless you eat one of the spotted mushrooms, and that's the only thing that'll trigger the entities in those two modes. So you can go through the game without this whole magic crazy system. But yeah, other than that, let me get back to work here. I'm working on updating the farming system next, and I'm still kind of undecided about if I should include the properties or not, or just build anywhere, just to make it practical. But something to think about, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.